bit be our very proactive and yes hey my planning near my way you my say na kapepa so there be when you go get a kapepa so when you go get but if you are able to execute the plans on paper
that's right
na utimi ehu near what no ema manifest ya na your friend say oh you go get
sharp aish
ye gina komi
aish
we need buy na say you
go getters and to me they not say a go getter is an ambitious self-motivated person who continuously sets and consistently and wanna achieves their objectives and say no into blasters way we go getters ana and the word now bro 12:45 and I'll be
yo better for me go getters what I mean
your sentence is being made here for your sentence is being over Oji when your sentence your sentence now
your sentence is new yanka
when you
be read you and menya me who but
revelation
menya so yes characteristics of go-getters.
Oh okay Fabra
about what kind of
me part of Fabra me sentence
number 1 they are not cowards.
Okay omunye hufo
yes
yeah
number 2 they are disciplinarians.
Oh I see
and number 3 go-getters what excites them is the results they get.
I said in movie otisa out to him CCA
the results so these are 3 characteristics.
Okay,
they are not cowards. If you are a coward forget it.
Okay
so when you are doing GD any patapa you are not a
go-getter sa maybe we should call her resilient.
Yes.
So many and stop you mo I
consistent spirit.
Sa. Anyway, and that sentence be a way for sentence you found who honey and for mate for near and then go get it. If I would say I catch I am a go getter. Declare it now ever so anyway and if I sentence Anna Macano, I am a go getter.
As simple
I am a go getter, so you can describe yourself as a go getter. And no. And for yes, Ramo, some amunim. Moyusu.
Bang.
And then I relapse because that's an outbreak. Mukakra, and I'm moyene.
Debbie, your friend is saying, money for who the oye de
yeah patoyati and to say flooding time you know I just thought to bring a word that you bet to near you see a bra flood see we your bompa say ense for nyoma enya papa ense for nyoma na yesu enya see build waterways near there and the word we have is deluge. 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 And to share deluge the meaning na eja. Yefa meti for deluge. When we survive.
Deluge, yes. A deluge is a severe flood, a sudden heavy downpour of rain. Or an overwhelming rush of things arriving all at once.
Awesome.
I want to take it again. A deluge is a severe flood, a sudden heavy downpour of rain, or an overwhelming rush of things arriving all at once. Somebody like.
Musumi wa mawadi ya kumonti na limunchiro. Eradin tutu anamo NCA. Onfa nyumtuo ensa utechere maso. Na eradin yankupon enfa sedie ense waflum. Eradin ma umoma sonya ding ensine watamfo. Eradin yankupon tutu anamo NCA. Eradin ma wachi dumpim. Eradin yankupon tejo utatamfa unkotu bebi onwa rade. Asafu Yehowa onwa she swade uko. San control brabo so. Ya se boni nkan no how men to madan. Opim beto benkum opidu beto nifa. E bi nkan wote. Wo de wani wa na ade be hwe no wo de go yefo akatua. Awurade ani mutie ntɔ so. Awurade nhyira ntɔ so. Awurade abaso bo enye wabotre. Awurade nya wo chem. Awurade nya wo katabo. Awurade nya wo tipejafo. Awurade nya wo temgyinafo. Awurade nya wo rechichefo pa. Na de bi a wahwere Awurade mfantomo. Bosumi we mu. Awurade ma onsere wate. Awurade ma wadansidie. Awurade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa wo. Mo acheche wo re. O Kristo Yesu di mu. Eni abompae. Amen.
Chino, Omuna, Mamma, Sasso, baby, I'm will be Abena Ruthy, me oh, I was here for you, and then I'm yassin, no, yet another or hoda, cause amen. Yet there say, and ne actually, and ne Thursday, yauda, but they be a make us say, yauda, but to the obedi there. When you're a dream in Quan, dear, a down Quan, a bawa farm. Send ya charge no. Oh, England, ya been poso. I was young, it is a who ya baby, oh, beer. Where you memo fear, shop wherever, me jidisa who ye papa. Me se mo amodae no mo we him mammo nsaso ena omo musiri pressure so anape omu ntumi nti omani muso mammo nsaso oh enena ni je kwa o ai me enra me ka che wo se meda enti after first half no ena me die but na ye wish say you win ni beba ena narrow escape every day ye da was say she onia sa na won senche ni beba wati sa na won senche ni beba abra obi enim se ni da so asa na kire se ye yi watotwene kra na ho na senche ni bepie nia ekoso ni nyina no fa bata wa abra ba ho na ka kire wo ho se nia obia if you say oh there's no hope no eho ena insencheni ni be fie pie yena ya ma Black Stars no congratulations oh my dear papa e was so muki ko mu ho na next match na enye easy say Tuesday oh Next match, 9 years. It's also Mukiko in England. The age. Abrofi, almost much. Technically, you need your minimum woman search. And your Musano poor woman search. I was here, Hooper, and yet can't you, baby? I never who know who part our partners. I almost saw Chromo patch. Say, I was here, me chow, pa. So we need o'clock now, I do so. Yes, some delight o'clock. Mr. Froby, no be Froby, no be soon Froby. I now won't catch up who say Abena Ruthy, Abba. Yes, some delight. Na Svel's lady me mawakwaba.
Yes, madam.
Say.
Adum.
Unya ni hweye.
Oh.
When ya uka International Sleepers
Yeah, but
Association.
share replay.
International Sleepers Association.
But I mean, I saw some. Me share kakra.
Okay, answer na utonko no.
I mean.
Utokono, bizu utokono, answer utokono. Okay. Now the your share ball no, your share goal no. Me ba boy no before match no. Na BBM say no more. I say one of my friendlies no. Ena. Okobo ni di ni enti a o si yirenchi. O si yirenchi e ho na ne sister.
And then one to Ghana.
On to Ghana we him. E ho na ne sister say why you saying yirenchi? Is yirenchi? Now you Ghana ni uti ha na o si yirenchi. Just only one tea din kurada. Wow. Hey, Jazzy for you. Jazzy for you. On tea yirenchi. Enti no. Unse na international for commentators no. Omu body na omu born style. Binti ono so ti onim say esa yirenchi that am say shit. Enya me put na me corrected na ni aba. I say now we got any now we can yirenchi. What is that? Is yirenchi? Na am say ne hu de ne no. Enti yema yirenchi congratulations. Why are they for the entire team? Yeah. The entire team because some omu coordinate here koto. Oh producer. I was there for me producer. Mummy found no mama customer service training. And no necessary. I was say you found no koye I. Producer, I walk about.
Oh. Yeah, Papa. Pacho, so
yeah. Don't be here, Papa. Wait, so I own him. Gigi. Another day. I don't need kind. I don't need kind. Not Gigi.
Any patapa and TV, no. A G P.
Ayo, political party and a Christian.
Enthusiastic. Emblematic. I'm facing ya, but I'm going to
I was all the toss because you use words.
I know I can be just one day. I'm a job, just one day. I
was here for your chum. Oh, now, Mamma and Chia do that do. I was here to Nenka. Last time, now, Auntie Nancy on Tiapo. Into producer, my mom assignment. I was here to Nenka. Do that do your child, baby. I will be a.
You're bedding it.
Anne. Who say a Bushiani, and Tobin was here, no. Enti bibia eboko de
na me adum
na after the one day na so who die
oh yeah mani kumpa
so die o
e na me ke ya
pa jo kan so hwe no fan hye ball ni se wo hwe ball ni
wa
Debbie me na fa na kata match na man hwe because me da bet 10
oh ni se da kaka kra bi no ma sha say
oh me who time me did die kra and I woke up very early too. I think around 2 no almost match no.
Okay.
Oh, mendamo me see de pa vuvuzela me window oh Charlie.
No, but that thing that has come back is exciting because first now
it's seasonal. It's seasonal.
And no na e ma drink so like I woke up in the sleep. And me check it time no na be 2.
Okay.
Me yes me sign da se me da. Anopa news no yen kan. I could not go back to sleep on a normal day because I met me as I had done.
I got the idea. I just say, I just open some party light here and so on.
Yeah, my aquaba. Yeah, Betty for so aquaba. You're there, say, and Thursday. Yeah, on where I do a drama boy will be. And I might didn't communication about. Now make a fat. I fire Brabom now because age. I was seeing you a dinkum. Baby, be I a Febia, internet. Fa, I want to buy butter black stars for.
But I declare be prophetess.
Eh. Or predicting I'll be one.
Oh, boy, your predictions mean.
I see.
Intervals in the end, no.
Okay.
Predictions so fair in the first prediction, a baby. Radio Sucrampono will be free. A declare, no say. Or a prophetess in Tianco or Jasasi. Oh, be
Uncle Master,
Master, sorry.
Consultation, yeah,
and the sports so you declare the prophetess.
Oh, I see.
Like the Okaya Bemuno. And I feel Ghana today, so.
And also,
Colabi. It's not 1 2 minutes. A declare prophetess. A catcher and say, oh, just as Sibo Caswa almost. I know more for Empire. Pico. To the prophetess are Joasari. The prediction say 1-0.
And wrong, me first game in South Africa and Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Much is the predictions are just right. But I'm and I was a meno with the one who bet the moon coach. But that may imagine say me chebino. Oh, from ice. Ebe Pasca. Ebe Pasca. Now made me best scapegoat.
Aye. It's in the assassin of many papa near.
No pay. Some in my shadow, my dimity, a Panama, Michelle, a declaring prophetess.
I see. Now, sorry, now, so.
From what's now calling the unexpected white any cocoa bells,
me ba ne boom.
And yeah, now over the Qualabe.
No, it's dreaming on the start of the Johnny Star trouble.
We prophetess with swag.
Oh, sir.
Gen Z prophetess.
You'll be original.
Say, your Facebook, Sompa 106.5 FM live. Since you had a live, so, isn't it? Yeah. No, yeah, Pamocho, Monco, now Monco, now prophetess, new prophetess, like Yan and then. Oh, NT Yabani Diana, but Yenda Lexa Company Limited as the producers of Yas toothpaste, any toothbrush. Yenya, busy, Amonia, dear Sarah, now him say, Bibia, fine, no fine. Any idea she say, Yas toothpaste, any Yas toothbrush, and see, Onya, now dear, one of my boy, and ne every day. Yes, that's the next say, yeah, cop vocabs corner, Anessa, isn't it?
Yeah.
Me banana in. I said, isn't it? About my men call a you can cry in it.
So can you mean to some media name today? My
men call in it. It's Monday, whether I did buy and on there, Mokai.
I do call
me feel free, Anna.
Yeah, feel free, just feel free.
Me feel free.
Flow, feel free.
Nay, deluge.
Monday, and Monday was Wednesday,
and
Thursday.
Tuesday, and Tuesday. Monday was deluge. Monday was deluge. Sapa. Because of flooding issues, Ninti. Yemfa Bibia, Efa home, Embra. So Monday was deluge. Tuesday,
Nexus.
Nafe, Enra was go getter. Any idea called you go now?
Yeah.
Hish.
You could go.
Hish.
That will be backing.
Susu we are saying.
Because we international prophetess. So I'm a catcher that.
Oh, but you too.
Because they are shouting.
Me who are some person.
Susu we are saying, "I penalty. Go get a hand. I am Okasan Papu declare." It is a better for prophet than I. The woman with prophetess. I mean, I'm sure.
I was here for. And in the name of my uncle, and nowhere this way. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready. Very ready.
Sir, okay. And you're not.
Bang,
bang. All right, okay. And then word no. Okay, so this is a word I have kept for like 3 weeks in many aboso I mean no. Reki. Na we event near any Reki what? Reki. Enti RECCE. Reki. Enti yen hwehwe meaning ne ma etiefo na ya pe sentence bi dia momo. Ye da go get us so akọ get go na ba. Enti ene Reki yen hwe ne no so de bebe.
Ada.
Okay. Reki. I'll say it's a slang term derived from the military word recognizance.
Okay.
It refers to the act of scouting, exploring, or visiting an area in advance to gather information, survey the surroundings, or assess a location's suitability.
Okay. It's not make an event assembly because most of the time, ebia na obi ni wedding komo no aka so ye koye reki aba.
Okay.
Ye koye reki aba che so omu ko baby o mbeye program bia na bibia omu ko hwese ne hotie.
Visibility studies.
Kind of into reki no.
Okay.
Ye ko survey ho.
Ye ko hwese ne hotie surroundings ne bibia say suitable for ne a wo pese wo ye na. You know, so the difference between that and feasibility studies no will be say studies near more detailed. Ebia wo pese wo ye bibi wo baby nti wo ko sua bibi wo ho ne fa ho a reckon ye more of scouting ye ko hwe kakra bi ne aba nti no feasibility studies no ye details nti reki no. Okay, to a show I'll say commonly used in filmmaking, photography, event planning, military. So and only reconnaissance now what kind of operations. You quite say what is saying. Many example be or say we should do a recce of the new venue before we finalize the event's schedule. And see we also the photographer went on a recce to find the best spots for the sunset shoot. If you are now pre-wedding shoot to be now any photographer wa call area be wa call shoshe send your hot here just wa call recce and now we shoot video now any I will be shooting no wa call shoshe ye no sa ade na all ye no ye a friend recce 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 Enti yesremo ana se bia obeye wedding bi kra now see o minko a couple of places na minko hwe no see a recce no see a recce
scouting
na that's right. Enti abusuafo word for today enu ni
okay and I said to say window shopping no.
So window shopping as the name goes no it's more for shopping. Who call the when you go keke won talk
recce
Reki shopping.
And I don't know who call her own talk. Now I buy but we need the woo quack or shena way in ya baby. I'll be ya dear no what san quack ye. Ain't no. Ain't a busia for your sham some amunim. Moon use. Okay. Oh, Black Stars, so what my energy? Me tell you no, what's so? And I'm energy. Oh, and it's a piano. When I see into your fat, yaji. Near when him no near Becca one baby, I don't know the name.
When we get to the river,
we'll cross it. We'll cross it. There was a friend and not see a concourse fine so producer.
Crane.
Auntie Adwa. Afa.
Okay, so who should I start with? Anyway, yeah, Black Stars in a home common that ain't no. We are excited as Ghanaians to say Enra Nyamiadum. Your first match no. Yetimia Wini. Enti we are happy, we are excited. I mean to see in town Enra Obia Shane just say like everywhere what na Facebook, YouTube, Charlie, TikTok everywhere. Just I said yeah. Hey, ye hosting a cry. Ain't he?
What is a lady Julian say? Ghana for a celebrity sing countries.
I'm telling you. Ain't he? We are excited. However, my main shall say e wo kojon cancer le win ho.
Okay.
Or the carry a quarter chacha. Ain't he no
no
say Ghana Black Stars yen to me and qualify from your group stage no. He will quit acting.
Ebi awanya ni obedi ewie.
Asa beti yemi.
Omienko.
Enti en cancer na abeti no. Yen so de yate. We are monitoring. We are not praying say after all say Black Stars etimi qualify from group stage now. It's a win for Ghana.
That's right.
And we are always wanting say ye betimi akwa animu. Cap ni de ye ye ntimi nye. But na ye hwese ye betimi progress akọ baby. Aha. It say fine ye betimi akọ animu. It's a win for Ghana and a win for him as well.
That's right.
But and you may be saying no, you're very guided. Because as the
elections say as soon as we may say
may naked demo may say
ade anya una we you
you don't have any control over this.
Exactly.
Or say Black Stars and qualify from group stage makwete acting. Well yeah dear waha so back with you. Say Abena
to fa hanu maka say ye
can
ekura no maka say me we
say akra wo kra wa ye producer wo so wa afei na wo start wo producer adwuma no
but any asema wa ken wa answer there no
say
onya
oh yeah pa oh yeah producer actor
Debbie will be patching.
So
see acting no back with tia. Any production of it to me.
Exactly.
Ain't no share.
I do producer.
Penny. No cry no. The thing is that the ma and cancer relevant no. Ne on screen ejuma no. And nipa do was saying na omo kromo behwe movie a omo check cast na say production team no nkrofo do say na nya bre ready enya wo na obey media tour from abia station to station to promote movie be about release ya why na say when I produce here
sister man how why na
ain't no anyway
den you be wini kura beji apart from that no or back say only obi anko legal agreement
na yenim sa enye legal agreement of course na eba even crap say yentimi en free group stage no na eba na say obekos we twa senior obi ba be twa free set and so say
attention seeking
that's it
you Ghana na income share by so sambe mu a meshima so that's why I say
me say mu wi no maka so mu ka no wow
but anyway I like I am a positive spirit. I like not actually what he said the other can say obeja acting but I like
the fact that believe say
exactly yes I like that positive spirit yes that this they are concerned they are blaming that's the aspect I'm picking from.
Okay,
it means that nakuma tai blasters like I believe in blasters. I believe in what is mine, like what is ours. So I like that spirit.
I wouldn't say enra me hu ye mama Jane nana
I'm sure go jubilate yeah me hu ye manage pa yeah
ya mom ya bom na baso in fact no onim say heads of states near their Ghana omo ye conference.
Okay.
Yes.
on a reparation.
Yeah.
So obia omu speech na no maka ho. I mean honorable Okujeto Ablakwase or Kasaka no see or digress kaka no koka Black Stars for the not to say excitement about
exactly. That's what we are looking for.
Ghana
yeah, Africa is one. Okay.
And commercial ho. Say na ebedi nkomo
kakra.
Okay. Anti adwa.
Inti menya na quick one. So let me go to ye most of the time they surrounded our relationship Ghana as far as ye mra no concerned. Most of nkofo bi adwen says we ordinance na court our no e no na bia ubetimi nya opportunity say ejapade che ebebam after one decides to leave the marriage or bia obi be free mu but ye nyina ye nim say ye nuaba afia pokua or ye nipa ba ko a o ma yes o man church fa nyuma bi IT say ye kra na ye di kan di ho nkomo I think say issue bi one ba bi enye ni mu de no our refuo bi issue bi di kan by my take the opportunity to educate people on me kai say ye mama akosu agwa aboaje ebe man chire efa ordinance aware efa customary efa ehefie die na ye no ne ade and also traditional marriages does not stop property sharing after divorce. Enti se wo ye efie aware a na se awareja ye ba mu amepa acho ejapade che ewom se ba ko kasa aware no mintimi enti megya ejapade a ye ewo aware ni mu no enye court nko a efie die kora no se motimi aye ejapade a ye che emane ye but most of the time the woman is say eno na ntai nko court because na parties no they agree and she said in it says parties na involved no ba ne be ma ne nyina te omo ho ase say okay and ye de ye ba aware no ye nya ye nie enti wo fa we na me so me fa we ya na eno na de asomdwe eba but say one party koye twemame nti ase na obako no so feel say ye besisi na ho no na ye na ase say emra ebemuno enti traditional marriage is duly recognized in Ghana. It is duly recognized by the law. So we are traditional marriage eno nkyere say you register traditional marriage. The only difference a woman and a court and krata na that's to say we ordinance the man cannot marry another woman until after divorce. Samson or Banusun to me inquire bema for until after divorce and a demise of the party. That's the only difference. What ordinance no anyway anymore. But traditional marriage, you register, you register or registry. You be exactly your mouth certificate. 18 months.
Yeah, can say no traditional. I am bebre. If I say engagement na traditional, customary. Customary.
Okay. Customary.
No na we who say.
Right.
Most of the time, engagement na feel say no one.
There be nanka on a normal day. Cran engagement ni ye before our proposal no. And on your friend engagement, nti ye ka so obi aye engaged na che say ye de anu ato ne so a obo ane ho abeware but ye ceremony no and na che say engagement no and no na customary marriage no
me matches name me tray ne me napkin na de
it's na customary marriage no
anybody hey na say chana wenye bia na weni aye call
hey you won't even think say you cannot even afford sa bucket na say rubber bowl no
for me dear me kona say
need a day wom
misaka
feeling where wom
enye easy
misaka fa
we to me to 100 then so no unsaka bia no weni aje na me ko bi man ka bi de ne kan say
so get this education and I am
interesting just last night that madam Fubi enemy customary near yasemi or can differences then or a lawyer
okay
into mommy fan chairman hopefully obviously into lawyer Emmanuel Asmeni yes fianco me ciao en rankwa na o chiche mi po me hu vim lady ni story but now kika hu I counsel ye chia papa ama o see o anytime Sompa you be here no obetumi aba be share your money and they no yes.
Okay.
We'll make time for him to come in.
So let me do my last story and go. American rapper Nicki Minaj say onu weja asoreko and the onu anasema and she's saying say oja asoreko immediately after her career started picking up.
Oh wow.
And most of the time no the bani say shows after shows and you nim say weekend and so the hona
Saturday night
yes into okobo Friday no abo Saturday anajo enti wotimi gina mu a to ahomache enti sa time no no wabo show na wie no to ho say ya eno ano no na ni kura ntetola
na
wakoma tozi enti no wontimi kura enya ne ho na Sunday no wasori akwa sorry. However she still keeps her relationship even though said there are times ono who say ade na bu akamu but she's trying ain't no but ade baby or connect ya amana nye me de eye say when her career picked up
say nshira na eba no ho na wo dog nyame
when your career picked up ain't no most of the time no enye ono nko a ye nyina ye guilty ye nyina ye guilty but ye make the conscious effort say we we'll always go back to our first love because ochun ho sima me say obekwa achiri ochun ho sima you come to a point where life living without prayer, without fellowship, without almost say abaya normal the amount and you will not see say what chia kwetwe until something hits you again and sana when you baba ho so say let's not wait for those moments esa na say ye de nyame aye go to
last stop
well asen when ye ho kire ya na ye kai nyame but enema ekoyi a na ye refi no let's not live our lives like that enti emwa
ne nante it should be hand in hand it should be hand in hand what so on sem no the wo de bia bribia
enyesa for granted
waso be hye abrabo no enyesa waso be hye o enti no nyame menja no hoda men tutumri Kenya no ho e na men ka kire so hand in hand na ne koka kra eno na obenya nkunundie anyway
so let me end with that na
Smells lady yedase papa yedase enti na producer bema abrantie na ye ne be hwehwe nkomo awie no ye be friend number enti lady Joanne the money fan nyom ne gum na ye nko say ya de maye yo ya fa mayo aye beje me producer ye ya je de ndida enti ne say ya de maye say ya fa maye ye de ye beje ebusuafo awie mi won komo de bi di na ne mre no aso o ma enti enyom we na fe ye nto aso
I've come far to give up I'm never going back oh. My dream is so far but there's no turning back oh. No giving up I believe I can make it I believe I can make it I believe I can make it no matter what thing I make I go to try to push until I win I know say my God go carry me He go carry me through all the storms He go carry me to the finish line
where your friend of gospel funk
I go to try to push until I
hey easy oh as a voice producer as a black hole
I don't want to come far I don't go give up now I know they go back oh my dream feeling far like heaven I know they look back oh I say there's no turning back oh
all right enti abusuafo me wo nia otu nyumi e wo fie ha enne na me feeling nyum na ma uko Facebook ha be hu mi te nya na mi hu sa hey abrantie wonderful with some heavy beard me shall call Facebook Sompa 106.5 FM live I also be a no me can you know. Meaning so you Jacob Francis. And that's why I can't catch it. I couldn't yen your money vinaja or day. Mr. Emmanuel Abbey, Mimo Aquaba, Eba, Mamim Chair, Mamreno, until we are now what was what it. Mo Aquaba, Eba Sompa delight so. Until no Mama Aquaba, you know, also better Sompa delight near to Uncle Mono, yes, I am.
Me pacho yo. And so Sompa delight.
Ice. I make up with your corner. Nice.
Major moso.
Enti bibia boko de.
Nyamina domine mo mpa bo bibia boko.
Ye there Wow. Gospel musician. Enti how long have you been in the industry?
I think that me shall say 2022. So roughly or me 5 year money.
4 or 5.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Oh,
sure.
Okay. I see. Enti you mean I don't know first
No. This is my 23rd single.
Hey!
Yes. This is my 23rd single. Yeah.
Into who releasing the online style?
Yes.
Into on all stores.
All
online stores. Into wait title it.
We did no turning back.
And I don't want to turn back, maybe.
Yeah.
Never going back. My dream is so far. But there's no turning back. No giving up. I believe I can make it. I believe I can make it. I believe I can make it. No matter what in I go to try to push until I win. I know say my God go carry me. He go carry me through all the storms. He go carry me to the finish line. No matter what in I make. I go to try to push until I win. I know say my God go carry me. I don't want to come far. I don't go give up now. I know they go back home.
Wow. This is amazing. 23rd single. Ish. Why are they? Ebi titles here then, and where can we find it so that will be tia obako sheshe?
Okay, so I cannot fail.
Okay.
And also releasing them in 2023, and I have He Did My Side.
Wow.
And I have Nyamebeye.
Okay.
I have Sesame. I have Kaime.
No,
next time. Yeah. And I'm on Mother's Day song so back where Mama. And also I released it I think last year as a dedication to all mothers.
To all mothers.
Yeah.
And you style any
no, this is the first time I'm releasing this style.
The other ones,
Afro
different. Oh, I see.
But mostly, yeah.
I see. You can't wabakwasem kakra. So, why ni Emmanuel Abbey?
Emmanuel Abbey, like Okaya, me gospel artist. Because upcoming now, some of my colleagues say, so when you're a young person, but upcoming in the sense that me shall say
new artist. Because
yeah, so me shall say 2022. Every year on average I release about 4 singles. And we me 23rd single.
That's amazing.
So that's where we are in it small. The passion is to I think I may buy, and I read one inscription, Robert, do on your at the reception. It's something I resonated with me. I believe as a musician, I want to impact lives, change people's lives, draw them closer to God, and also to uplift those who are downtrodden and all that.
Wow.
And mostly, me style
exactly, motivational.
Because
that's amazing.
We all need it in life. Basically,
that's how it's been. Okay. And sorry, could be na school be. I mean, so that somebody can identify who is talking.
Yes. Me a Roman in I'm a somewhat Thai Roman Catholic.
Oh.
Now, my story a bit. Me will be a my saw the main 3 religions of Ghana. Makubia.
Wow.
I was born into a traditional family, and then later on my whole family almost converted to Islam.
Oh.
Then when I got 18 years, I told my dad me call
Christian.
So I converted to Islam. So
you converted to Christianity,
and I joined the Catholic Church where I've been singing. I think since I'm a Johnny,
was it Taifa?
Taifa, St. Dominic Catholic Church.
Okay.
And me journey the Catholic Church choir. And here I have a passion for singing. And I've been singing since then.
Oh, the wow!
But me and my studio recording in 2022.
And about commercial 2022. Yes. I see. So, who are mentors? We were system ni mana. Obi a odi when you see so.
Yeah, so I look up to somebody like Nasi, and then Dana Hamilton. I like also Nestar. I haven't been into contact with them, but they are people that I look up to, looking at where they are, the impact of making in the gospel industry. Of course, a lot of people. And a lot of gospel musicians, I may draw inspiration from them. Okay. But I think
in and outside Ghana,
yes,
I'm sure.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
But
that's amazing.
Dana Hamilton and Nasi,
two people. Yeah, we look up to them.
I look up to.
That's great. So how is the future for you? How do you see the future? What are your next steps?
Yes, me full-time music. I work full-time on a job, and music on the side, and it's been very challenging. But it's one aspect.
Music, I jealous.
Yes.
So when your time,
that is it. Sometimes I go studio after work, midnight, and I go to studio to go and do my music. My boss was this guy. I wonder how. After time I go back to office and all that. Exactly. I like that. So the passion that I have for the song, but looking into the future, and I see myself transitioning from my current job to do
full-time
because I see that because of that limitation, I'm not able to, focus on the music where I will put my heart, my soul, and everything in it to push it to where it has to go to. So, of course, in future, now I see myself
doing full-time music. Yeah. Okay, so as a musician myself, my advice will be that the modern gather more a Juma side in terms of resources.
Sure.
Answer. Because we need.
I know what you're talking about.
We here la lambiano.
I know that what you
Yes. And to say no ni who be support here was
I know.
It's in the event kakra that I mean you're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. And say unye new person, I mean in the industry per se, but if you have the opportunity to advise or be as a new entrant, what would you say?
My advice to a new entrant, I'd say in the case of every course I am worthy of pursuing, there are a lot of challenges. And I think my current song will even be a motivation to such a person.
I love it.
You will certainly meet obstacles and challenges, and there will be times I will be paba.
Wow.
Like my case, I'm doing everything virtually on my own. All the resources and everything. You have no support from anywhere. So if we need that motivation, resilience, and say no matter what, you will give up. And let's talk about even artists and who are world class and now more acclaim. They all started small and then they grew over time. And you don't expect to buy although sometimes once in a while there are people who just come and they but we all don't have it that way. But with consistency, now won't give up. Like I said in the song, there is certainly going to be a way at the end of the time. The only time you fail is when you give up. If you don't give up and you keep pushing, certainly it will be just one even one song or one lyric, that will throw you out there in the spotlight.
Wow. You're on social media, right?
On all the major social media
platforms. And what
platforms.
are the handles?
Emmanuel Abe Official on Facebook, Emmanuel Abe 1 on YouTube, Emmanuel Abe Official on TikTok, Emmanuel Abe Official on X, as we say now. So a unique and same name across all social media. So Emmanuel Abe on all social media platforms. And
I see you doing motivational stuff. So aside music, Nipono, I see you doing that. I won't start in per time on social media handles since now motivation because you've just done that.
Okay.
And so there's something in you that has to come out to a lot of people. And now they are fanyum too.
Yes.
To me, so they are fakasabuni are there, and I'm sure you go far. So I want to thank you for granting us your good self and on some delight.
Sompa delight.
Now Abani anyone be doing come on for you how be person be chia man now be do man say abra wrap up.
First of all, I would like to thank my wife for the support because me can adwuma over call and ajo over fear I was say you'll be there for her. No, you say I'm going to the studio and all that. So if you don't get an understanding wife, a big creative problem for you. So match here no we na madana say for the understanding. And of course,
my wife here that's you Nyamisha.
And of course, my boss, the General Secretary of NALAC, Honorable Sheriff Ama, and also behind the scene has been encouraging and supporting me. And then the family, he's the first person to head to my social media platforms to enjoy and then encourage with others. And then, of course, you and your team, you've always been supportive. Unless maybe I'm away. If I'm around, Mike is always ready to get me to your studio to promote my song. So I thank you to and your team for the support that you have. And then, of course, all my fans. I'm new in the system, but the fan base is growing, and I would like to thank them and encourage them that they should continue to support us, and we'll get there.
If somebody wants you for a show, is there a number you can put out?
Yes,
please go ahead.
It's 0246468082. 0246 another 46 8082, and the name is Emmanuel Abe.
Emmanuel Abe. Yeah. Someone so part the light there. Yeah, I mean, unya ba supernanim see a BSO Nesta Intino, Yamwa, Mr. Emmanuel Abe, na name ministry no enkwenim pa. Ofaima, that's so far. And that wonderful gospel musician, Mr. Emmanuel Abe, as said. What fast to do? I liked motivation na all mano. Or say more bano. Moon ready. I mean, moon can't share who say, yeah, you ready, say, you bet train and I bet tree near the baby was see a cop because I know piano to me and the womb. Into no banner why you want hard there. And you're not to say, what prepare one and couldn't debe or there. Into your danasi. Yes, man, social media and streaming in your no. I mean, yanko online stores, ni streaming in your no, na fe yanko social media, na yang follow no na dia, na yang one. Yankasi one in Yamwaya Honsusu, Yamwaya Honsu Nienfa, Yas toothpaste, any Yas toothbrush, and cheese, and you noon, and you no sense. Now, yes, so, and yes, stretchy. Ahoma, into that Lexter Company Limited, as say, or say, for hygienic, healthy living. Always choose Yash toothpaste and toothbrush. Now, product you when you be market baby. Accra, Patrol Fred number we 050 161 9588. Nakuma Siswa Freeway 050 139 0338. Mr. Jodie, na Jibima will be so I na. Munina mon sere fe ebusiafo ye twaye ho abase unim se na Thursday abedwafo beba na nkomo a ye bedi de hwehwem nti no yesre mam nko ba bia ye ba
That's why I didn't know me. Why you so
21st Clinic, yes, Sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves never will to us and if I was slim, never will Nansia, Bessia, Siacono. Say, who teach him, and not any offense sciatica. Now, it's me boo or to us say, cow say, Dre, with slim, would you baby and ye? Nanona 21st Clinic by a Juma Power Muyin Tiabasubo, Majin Wagana, and Yamonone, and Yansam Ketua, Wamuji International Awards, Wamuji Local Awards, Ahudu. Now, no sooner will be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrimhano, a bini baby, I just 21st Clinic in Kwa. Woman dear Bibidro, and the best I don't know the machine account. Aya Sabia, Yarabia, with me the corner, my dear Pakua, woman Gidi, Womupano, Aya sciatica, and a stroke, so the qua, diabetes, and hypertension, near Deniade. Ghana have baby, our moho, and cry her. Say, you were Tantra Hill runabout. So, Woofy and cry air bar. You were one sunny faso, who from a summer so near Bansua, one sabun kumso. A hona will be huye. Fred 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye diani o ye we diani enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese party akese se mu pe baby a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local foods ne say enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehye abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food upese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and as 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them
Hey, middle, Edrano pa wutimi to boase, echichiwusi o. Ado. Na so ni se me the yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka. Senti na ye bokoi. Na me die me all time favorite. Eye yas herbal toothpaste and the brush. Abua me ama sesei. Menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia. Me selfimfem me biem.
Na wo hwese mesi aye fita sesrecha homa. Na et brightens. Eye yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese.
Enti na wo se efei. Na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die. Ebo wo se ho ban. Demu ne nyina. Ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes. Enu krotrodo. Yas herba, yas whitening and the yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush. Abusuan chamfa.
Se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboye.
Tontonte yenum sane e fadwen
Ne fadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru
tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
tonti na 74 yinso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
se mennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa
woko pharmacy ana baby to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi biato
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050 162 8931 and 0246 073 498 FDA agi edwedin kratwe yi atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service, our Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesatikwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no ewiye brim enam ne nsa so ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa kire ne ma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma some perfect service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda ni na share radens na erade beye.
For Emmanuel Abenyum na motin, but I young call online, I ain't streaming yum no. Oh yeah, the old boy, you might see pianeti, na Abeja Fabe do. Hey, now over here, Mr. Babadia, call Facebook, Sompa 106.5 FM live. Na show any swadi, Udua, like, comment, na share, na show any swadi. Uncle Fred!
Abena Ruthy.
Bremy, a chenny be
oh, and I'm a share video. And the Mekache, Ahobrasia Kuto. Ahobrasia, the lady Yasap on the back.
Okay.
I know Pam Tadesha Media Court. When you shoot time in the other places, the only idea we were Sunday now, many or no her excellence in an normal Kobichino in a okay. We are a shady ball and I'm saying, some part delight. For me, delight. I'm a light.
I see.
Ecobonum light soup.
Hey, bye.
And they consume black stars, some papa bee.
Ade. Bye.
That's right.
Easy. Often patron Mpombo.
Oh, you have some kind of young quantum and kunya, a head the rainbow. It has many colors, when it falls now.
That's right.
Which means that we are looking at God's intervention in our lives. And as from Monday to every time, then just say, Yakupon I adum. We can every day the positive and the negative happens. Death, birth, sad, till the time, moon, and then the sunshine, in super top dryness. It would to now, for behind you, tell you how to I won't say, you don't even know where your next meal is coming from. Oh, I'll be a feel. And aim, she said, as human beings. But Ukuma fear in idea community probably the unknown. And you know, we are to be now bonus to bet them.
Yeah,
who can fast to buy it. Say this kind of new to a chair, channel, you should say, come better for ready. Sometimes I know scary there. We show my own knee cover we are over pension was Charlie. Classmates, we have a pension the other day. I want to see the car and watch you. But Ujami the betray.
Yeah,
that's right. I buy young fan more for the end. So we are back to Sompa Live, the Thursday edition on 106.5 F. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Reverend.
Hello. It's here for and I sound baby. Any genius they buy and Yankupon Abuin in who buy Washay and so. Emma Thursday I buy a barber some pa delight. Yamu be any aji. Ghana force why I dear pa say what they share so not what they Bakushe Panama for at Naimu.
Hey, Reverend Uchi.
We are the Mestatia Cafanti.
Kafanti because I know so counting, but what Kafanti? But I'm at some fancy. Now, Bibia Boko.
In your Bibia Boko. Bibia Boko.
Me who's why fresh. I'm a who.
Our fresh.
So meeting Palma.
Old man.
Any olu. Yeah, there are the asset, but now, and how much the moon is saying? Much the moon is saying.
Abna. Asidan yedema nyankopon.
Okay.
Say with me a boy because Panama phone and ra bomb I'll grow mudi or park no so na in fact, you started match no. Send you na Panama bono. Me koko share them kakra. And I me catch me banner say. Me band on no so na won say support ni se si agency for na dem magana for pa o nti akakakra won say blaster ma yakuma etuda blaster ma yere hoda nti eduru sa ye huru bi da no ye say ehuru bi painting na nti ebasa na ayet say na ye stroke kakra but go no buy e pe na me call YouTube e ko ye reverse and I'm a sunshine rewind. And the sunshine in Nabium Namsi Ugana. Ya dear pa. Nana me kept be sending a referee namfa extra time and to swam my yanka any day. Extra time, maybe extra time now, boy. I
correct answer.
I'm saying Ghana for your coaches. Yeah, born in Hunia. I was saying Calgrono Copa, same players or Elbow. But you ever Ghana for Abaso.
Yeah. At least we had the win. And no, am I a Nigeno? No, Omuntuaso sa yes, Romuntuaso said Tuesday the next match with England. Omuntuaso sa over.
Yay. I made a mistake. Psyche me home. If free, now no consider a call on your show time. Now, and then another brown money celebrity among for Moyena.
Okay.
The psyche mo. Prior to that, send me now I can say Black Stars from Candudo Noir plays minimum.
Yeah.
It is chair saying a coffee and 2 years now say go 20-year-old. You may be a dinner now, and so many answers for a couple from very Omo cry dinner.
And now some can say for
because Omo cry no dinner more bono cries say typical and with my trouble chema me Thomas Asante. Asante can you know. And to now we are butching kwala ma Sunday I'm satisfied him home. Can we are no bomb national anthem. And I'm a tool with social media.
Okay.
Just to prompt a number starting no. And I'm got through maybe on social media say. Can't shake be. Do not be afraid. Means it's just a game.
Wow.
Pale ni maruden and mokra
yeah,
so with this my dream say whatever that I outcome no.
Yeah.
Be yampa that batch the Ukrainian meaning the passion in no. Nana you pay be tell no to 52 kakra. What to find out 52 kakra. Your operation near the kakena. Yeah, be see me kakra me to auntie. 90 minutes now, so say they are there. I had draw. It's some amount for became a boomer now. No, Yakupon. So the BIA, you know. If you are say, the way I saw for you, me, you see a pan, you be cock crying, but in a year. You go, sir, I didn't know to see your cousin on because say, until 90 minutes, 5 a year. Asante, 7 your name, my madam.
Okay.
Social media week. See, bossy more we be buy be share not in fact. Now I never come on football. Say the football it unites us all.
That's right.
And no, I didn't never come if a crown vice president. Or Tiho.
Yeah.
They got be hit to na gamanche to na something hit to. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now we Ghana for. Hey, the Ghana for go for just we cry am visa kwani.
E be free hand e call you so can we be so nya visa.
I'm say Canada and my visa no pa change. US no.
De na sentempo se no mama bebre nti bafo.
Canada ni pay go no. Wa be hu microphone be class space be hey. Akwa ko hu be 40 years ready. I'm so TV so nya nti no. The nyamia say e call boko na. Amount for to jubilate from the 1 o'clock I go see be much be 3 and amount for to me that.
Okay.
Nti nyina no. Yes, or crown open the cover be 9 years. I think say it's a good start. Nti yet we connect me but draw need me ni ba ko cry there. Yet me akọ 5 to the second round of it. If you guys no so they start here no na ehu kakra wom Ukrainian me no Panama for from the beginning they ball chain Some you cry for the first half. Till time I call hydration break, you know.
Okay.
Not almost the night can ball no six times play. Hey, 6 times play, and I me na me share money terapa. So be ban on nti. The chair by us to do between Dini Jumano. Tini no things no. Yeah, never be ma but you be profession means on bomb pie near man the prediction say when you say prediction na it assuage your pain kakra ma I think overall no my the Tom Force kakra wonya for now the better they will be kwani I'm saying for there so at least I can now confidently say at least team minimum Benjamin Asari Thomas Asante minimum Yenchi aha I'm no fatal so minimum na Kamal Din so if him who amudi kakra ba nyaki ulen se bibia no so we sit about next one Tuesday for England.
That time na party akokon.
And no more. Oh, Philadelphia na. Oh, US. Oh, me free. So I think this is the only match you born on Canada.
Exactly.
Don't you from by US?
Safu na also mama details.
Safu
who him.
Oh, but Canada for you. I will like the way I'm going Ghana for from the Deba. Something here, I could do football match. No more. Never bought $1 for Zabaso. So guys, now they car free ha. Call UK.
Okay.
It's a card. This are call US. No. Yeah. They were all there. Able to support it. We had it.
Support it. Abba love ne de samba nti no mo yire mo ho. Na mbra na mini Lady Joanne ye din ko be catch and say first no nka World Cup say. Enka ka bia e betwem bia be wo say flags so. Ana say ntomani bi kata so. Sade ni na ye hu. Si ana fe na san abaka kraka ne ntare no.
Na preparation nye. Preparation nye nti no be any hope. I must be honest. To yesterday no be feel say okay ye baby keke get to.
See so na abuna share na tare nra.
So be ya. Nti be ya and then no meet me and but
then nke be si bia na.
Ese never see bia na say. Me nsha na me nsha. Na serious I know me buy a word for the day I'm the ban I'm see go getter. And now the ban na me enye no na ma prepare for enran but mba na me na kwase na enu ba me tin am see go getter. Ye konko hwe go ni. I mean go getter say ne unim ni meaning but the fact that go getter go ni what dey ma me famra me fantum fra mem. Nen ye nko hu mu nyoma ye hyehyɛ ne ma osusu mu. Na offer eyi nkomo ya ye die because me pese ye hwɛ nkomo bi fa predictions to ne ade ho. Say a German mathematician, friend is Joachim Clement. On the one predicted said this year World Cup no Netherlands and they be winning. Now the past 3 World Cups no the prediction na be mu. No this is what he does. Or calculating your into me can say a mathematician. Into nya susuma de and war you. Or she say or say we almost trying to say oh my you say sir into okay can you ma bomwana or the determine say this is what will happen no. Emma me person ye share ye juxtapose and no with science susum no me ya na yes now so for be predict say or so for be because I know the no cram it say yes you be say nyadia ye be winning or something na yemra me hu no
so fu chi asem na okay mo be but I don't see so hwe social media on hwe be nipa boni sasem o kan previously but o change the cry no ha for my oh sister
me can win na
yeah
oh I see eno no me hu
inti no kan say amon for me hu omo
yes
inti am for amon for me hu he change the narrative
I see. So, Ninti a me fast uncle ya but mpese ye hwe say before na e pesa e hu no me na na brofo ye analytical ana
Abna and tisa
okay
one say ye bobola nipa mienu na ebo teams mienu na ebo
okay
either House of Hook and I say Kotoko
and mu kano me teams o ga
and I Swedru or Blacks and ebusua abonto inti 2 teams na ebo na sometimes no eya na encrofo hwe the strength of the team
okay
no more dey aka say team we dey ebetumi ewini sometimes so encrofo bom trim eka say team we be winning. But Abena team bono and I say ball bono it is say ukita coin. Now toss a coin no. It can either be the head or the tail. Inti at the end of the day no. Nimpa kwa oya sa prediction member Abuchidians na member Ghanaians. Okay. Nimpa oya prediction no. Osi mo bia amfa ne prediction ni nye dwuma. Now the fact say momo funny serious. Now the fact say me and sabe mu no. Eya probability. Aha. Wahu. Eya probability no dey. He looked at Oshe world ranking, GPD and all those things, the population of the country, any other things no Oshe edi into Osha or say Netherlands nebe den ebe winning. In the same way no Ghana ha maintains also for be na waka say Netherlands and ebe winning. Omo nyina omo ka Ghana asem na omo ka because the interest in this country is Ghana. Okay. In the same way no oko other countries are individuals who are what that country no bit me aka say Ghana be she. But obi wo Ghana ha or your software or share the strength of our current team o to me ka say Ghana be lose and I say eno ni team na obo enya prophetic word. Well, and sometimes so obi wo ho so okan ya nyankopon na e ka kire no. Nti I want us to separate the two. Enye ni nyina omo de beto abonten na enye nyame na e kan e. Ebi wo mu a omo abomutrim e na omo ka say team we na be win na team we because of in terms of the strength of the team. No, they are acquired to say elections. I didn't in Ghana ha ya so for no 31st December pe ene yebeka wuhunsem and I say yebeye election and yebeka say yes I'm in the ministry so I know what is going on and we have to stop these things from happening in the country. Yan kasa ni omo kano enye but nyame nkasa ya emeka and most of the time so no omo ye way because they want to trend. They do these things because they want to trend. But you see, we still have good ministers. Also, for my brother Penyin can be about your brother Debi Ayebonidi studio about the prophetic word he gave him and all those things. Exactly. Okay. It tells you say Nyankopon ye dey okasa. But enye na free nyame. Yeah. Your projections. Yeah. Your predictions. And no say free nyame. But you say omo bobo ni nyina no. Ekro na e bobo ni nyina no. Ana o man na e bobo ni nyina no. Omo ye den, omo ye nyame mba. Nyame do omo nyina, emu ba ku na be wini. And it is about preparation. Prepare ye to me winnie bono. Chandra ball and coffee boy, Panama for boy. But at the end of the day, determination. A boy, coach, say boys, my boys. Your boys no more to me. Nipa bakupo mo your boy dear, but your boys no. I understand. Your boys no. Emma, they were encouraged to win. It at the long run, young who say sometimes prophecy works, and at other times a nipano and a bone dream.
Wow. Anyway, offer until we take.
If we are say a idea football, who compare the na ya brabum some in your country, you know. Once a football until say ya scoreboard near that no be able to be a pray not to a mobile watch. In time called the Bepomebois. Referee Becca. Sana Babon said, "Unemu da be woo." Against Yanko about the fan harvester and Sanaba. Now DBA will be a severe psychology count. Yeah. Any probability. Probability in Saminia Bar Nanus and Fred and Obeba a Jumawa. So Yawde be a member. But me no by ye, Obia Suda Camille Shamano. It's a Caribbean medicine here. So the probability of me coming here and then there be a half and father there be me well it may be a same one you know on me naming and comrade to me if you have a quack or okay. So football sign no so now me queen any football team here no one cry from Gate Olympics maybe an am studio or says no more no office or okay here and I upon may he rest in peace no a part of the patrons only a deco canum to me na omba ho na me one footballer bi edi nkomo footballer ne say that o kwa ball no psychologist ko ni sika okọ de ade team ko je bribe
okode
ade team no ho e ko je bribe
say na me all money
sa do do asu tare me de fa benkum wow wala fa no achi no me de fa sa o ka che me pay psychology no bo se okọ wo se tele bi kura wa ni pa no aduani bi wo ha se wo didi na e be ka che so obi bi aka ba bi a wo se atwans wo ni mutumi to your body psychology na yin na tumi feel it guys no more here a lot of psychological rules from the adwuma and then once we be afraid be hydration break and then crowd could try ready 1 2 3 4 5 seconds on trauma you know there are a lot of rules that who could so kwa record any kind of a I would prepare but referee so to because remember parking is 22 players.
That's right.
And I'm more plus a referee and his assistants. And it's a VAR for some account. All these things na near ma referee no do pay and ode VAR to be correct. Oka to we crowd me when me na idea come to intino but at the same time no Onyankopon so many pardon mo. Say to you had a weatherman to be catch me say storm be free Togo eba. It yan hwe so ya. Bibia ho. People can descend into the spirit and see certain things. But to give accurate, mathematicians also can already near a certain passing. This year, we boy, boy, we share, so we share because you see, I was one all the big teams in your area. Now, no Messi about as a heart rate. Mbappe is about France. Okay, so 2 years yourself, France, Argentina, England. I want any US so we never go for now. Sad life in it along the line, some may fall. If people cry out, see, if you are the big three, I'm the small axe. I'm going to count you down.
I see. And again, I'm small.
Football, mistakes and get it. I don't hear football a year. Say, so you're possible. I said, Kagari in the night, no 3 years, and a ball on the final. So the distance, Nana Codiano. Naka sebenyo ebe ho para ko peso pass abado but won say a slip on the kofa yenchino proud to that not this prophet your friend Clement testimony so ko ya okobeto TV abo yenchiri din say he's the guy to watch.
Oh, I see.
On this match was he oko ye obewu this ya what he yan hwe yiro na Ghana still ya in it e bi so ka say bia so for akusa be hu no was he Ghana cry say you baby cry na yin na. It's all these are psychological things that they play certain things around your mind. But I say, with that confidence, you are twice defeated even before the race starts.
True.
It will be of course you know, so you have the confidence to go on the field of play. And I will coach you her. Coaching and no idea. Tactically, who said there be Jordan. We had the Jordan in Soya yao. Akoyama Jordan are you? Yao koyama you. So I'm here. That's it. And my chop me say. And the papa, and my chop with me. And the palm. My me has to commit me. Oh, yeah. And one can. You know, I saw me can say in football, anything I talk about, it Papa or to her all can sense or friends saying, or predict it. Say, mathematician here, and I'm part of reading games on probability. You can work out probabilities. We won't say. Say, Tomano, who aren't try. Not to Mamano.
Say, no means have you told me that?
I had and then me trump me say. Say, Manawa and Casantin and Kai. Which is Thomas Asantan.
I know, right?
I could not fatao.
Wow.
If you say, Yenchi, say, near Opotomano, Efeno, Bedi be Asari.
Hey.
More to show her. It's so come on. It's in the football, well of football, everything is probability. It's a lot of numbers. It's calculation. Computer, qua number. Because in Nippon, they could just about Nippon or con psychological news will be pra. I know I think is no news or after health.
And he did so well, eh?
Yes.
A first half on one or saving you.
It is a guy that one a probability or they predict it. It will be a bad a boom. Sa, when people have a car, boom. To 3 years because utwin the first I can last for about 7 finals which was based upon her waist strength, you can calculate something and then know how it will go. And are you for finals? No, among favorites. Almost the last 4 years, according to them, no. Number one with Dima Messi.
I see.
Together you go to Noanya, and the Messi to buy this time, no. Was our only first guy was have best shot. Hat trick, no. But so hat trick, you know, and I don't call Akoyana. Time will tell.
Hey, some party lights. Yeah, you hear me. Inti on the field though. Me who say one supporter be no who powder be near there. I mean, I don't know.
Abena Sanya, my brother kind. I say Niama will ream. What will say? So long as Nyankopon Niama wohono, Obron Samson Niama woho. And until no bit me quay drew so. Emma say drew no koye no, a ye juma. But one yamea, and I say drew name to me ye juma also.
Okay.
Intino, it can be said Nipacono, Okitanadia no ye. A bisu or wha. What him say? Sometimes a yana she ni mo.
Oh,
the Bobby who. Mammy more perfect example. Young guy be called in fansepem.
Okay.
Now, Oko school no, de be an uncle for the gin box in Adrianina. And one gentleman a minimum, none of my may complaining, a guy and a small boy in Abana, me or Virginia Marco. And a gentleman is only be. Oko school fa Meko. And Bidie.
Okay.
Nafa Bibi Chichiri. Nafa to chop box.
Obi hamba ne dia ne hubium.
No.
Obi hamba hubium. Psychologically no. Obi who one said those times no yeah goalkeeper bia or Sheche. Robert Mensah.
Oh okay.
One Uncroft say nature no. And a drew sometimes even at a African Cup of Nation, money request say on to the check. It is just a perfect example. Yeah, not sometimes no mate woho, sometimes in drone so ewo but nyame so into me so ewo
okay.
Now about what they say on I don't so kwako jisike do so here from na dia. Who say we go to a hot time pa.
Nyasem keto.
No was Caribbean continue for any way.
And go see her.
Oh, you see, sometimes it's psychology. Oh, come on, Quack. None of my people be a skit. You say, I pay 50,000. Also, pay Sicadia Quack, but I say, I also pay you I also pay 1 million Ghana cedis. And I do also pay, 999. It Charles says, Ghana, we had to find out when compare it. I didn't tell me, it's the mind, the mind games in football. People, do say, if a opponent or call, it's psychology. Because adrenaline, woman, at that time, no, I said to me, release almost not about me abo. It was your son abo. Because your mensa penalty be a cowboy. I would just say that's a normal penalty cry. Eda. Then you keep on doing run to do and I said, boy. It's in the field of football there. It's in the field of football there. Be in the school. It's your probability, no. And they said business, Oba Ghana ha, Obi Juma, profit and one up, but a profit and loss. And I'm yes, because we have one lose to Bibia, Unya Bibi. Aha, you know, football born there, your coaches. I want to tactical. He said, who said, Obi Afano de Maha. I know he's saying a bit to me attack on offer. If you are meant tackling from the behind, which my church or sending me now, oh, how boss you want. Go rules, you know, so be our 18 box who tackling from behind that. When you're penalty, you're that into 2 weeks of your beautiful aircraft. If you're a bit more soon, and a bit more yellow card. To all these rules, or why you did a guided football. So, according to not all any be, but some of them will slip.
Yeah,
I beba. So, no, you go keep on the last minute, not come for some say, and I call back butu. Keep on inside. President Samuel, you know, echo piano. It was unplanned.
Yeah.
That piano quantity between you record a show film. The you record of film pet. Now about that also say, well, no man unlimited film twin young one the football is full of psychological kind of game. You know, the Yamias say, it's me calling him, sir.
Reference example now, cover by a aquatic troubles. I'm imagining SBB. So, is it that
our part of yeah.
Mami more perfect example. I no pay ya na me ni obi kasa. E na omodwumem enkrofo bi ko wie sika e we dwumem ho. E na o ka kire oba no pa na ohun saa we na o ka kire mo say me ko me fie na me kwa akọcheche na ma 6 na yes ade no. O say me kwa akobisem na mu behu
mystery because my dress
ade sa ya pe na mumu ba ko frɛ no say ye
now
yeah, track load of Niama over million cities. But omudi ko see La Paz. No, ma 6.
Wow.
But Brian, so if you say who will be a paid the sky, bye yo. What was the car? It change your hands. So, Castle maybe it's kind of far coming your friend collection.
Seriously, baby be brave.
Obia Korea. I could come be no ditch connection with all the better amount. Obia could can't you crash a vegetable. Obidia Koba Shawo, I could try. It's a whole lot of the world is full of mystery. Never been it be bonny. That's why CTT camera say and a boho a capture and when you crab by a capture voice in here, they didn't know you have good. It's all these are and tuition part, Yakupo Diamani part. Yet me a boy home buying in the baby brain. Send them on Yakano to say you have to deflate it. African quarter. Gala no so ku go say wa nya visa na mu so nam American base wo say dey am fa visa na ma wa na ho wa fa manti to be o I say rasta
afie so de o mu kire nko
e bi na America for cry
they know
ye ne ga omo ne Ghana bebo na wo be so akuku wo ni krom ti o ma
o kire nko for
sa je ni me bebre
e agro mi nko di bi e di asem ni ti o mu krom ana e di
asem o.
Anyway, me don't want to say. So, Niana make a miss your mom, Miss Ray, because sometime be not because some big events be not me. Abena say me local bani and
okay.
Now me for big events be now my set it up for now. New man me call her the night before. New man me dey be set up no. Papa, me who anapana me call you no. Me say me near you come me say ah. And you may makwa na juno akoye me set up bibia na say enti no say na obi fire or ohun say wo ho no fa odi si baby foforo ke na hanya ye ken me nam ho e na make kasa na say share munni muti munni muti share eni na me ken eni me de nyame di na me nim te me kika oni pakro no say me declare nyama me nam ho and the 2 seconds.
And the 2 seconds.
Wow.
And it's in the hand and happen. And the 2 seconds. And Uncophobia momu table ewa me other side. Omu baby sami so and you be away mediana. Chese ni amikika yano ebo mu huma almost so cry a search party ni humbi at once and you go into the it works.
Wow.
Hey, yes, because me there no na me there me nyame na me bo me catch say share nipa no nim ne nyambe no this make kaka because me nya bre a big event I just say at the end me hu no at that time if at a ho na po no me sumai me ekope ni mani kakra ba na just say me say me hu sai akodim enti na wo say me ye hanya ni bi anyway enti ye de na me ka de bi I recommend nyame mamo ono no o ma on like on what do I want to say? On so on ma on hunsisa it's free. When he gives you, it's free. Free number some other. Anyway, young koye second in komoso and no de kakra bi ne ebeka na yapon because in South Africa for ya bromo. Say omo match bi wo ho na ene ana. Me hu say match bi wo ho ene na.
Time me mpukra.
In fact, me pet him from your Mabonia start here support to that team no.
Oh, I listen to Mrefi. Offer halfway. Omni Czech Republic. Okay. Into me support Czech. So and come on wa hai. And come on wa ha omu government na say omu lament say omu artist no. Omu Lucy bookings because of xenophobia in Sensema Bay. I say like a cop worldwide into the people are not confident in dealing with them to lose a gig na xenophobia nyoma bebre ya e koso yi ye hyedan ti omun kanenia omu ye fa hu e na fe say artist Lucy Giga mo lamente ebusuafo pacho den na mo ka hu
mebo we abaso ewie Reggie Rockstone last Monday ye can asem okatre South African musicians say omon kasa ho na megidi say event planners ni ade nyina etie ni papa na eka no because Reggie Rockstone who say musicians omo kasa to me ko echire inti megidi say musicians yi kasa ebia nka enkodru ni edru no because obi oye event bia be hu say musician we akasa omo mfoa so inti no they wouldn't have cancelled their, but this is just the beginning. Esane say one who say omo anya ade ni omo ye no omo anya ade na still omo ka say on the 30th of June.
By that time no obi en free
other countries abe fa omo nkofo ko inti no I feel say sesiano event planners mebo mabaso my ade monto aso anye kopem senia saa ye xenophobia we ni na so betwa enko yi
over
Africa wo hwe de yakopon boy ya wo hwe amaman su nyina ne potem bia no yakopon de ade sonko e de amma go bia so ko abano ne yana ko bebi no hu Ghana ne obi hu no meboa na Ghana ya ka sebe hu obi bia tete na num be mienu miensa mienan bonsa ha no free eba ti we are unique uko Kenya omo wa uko Sudan ye black and slim sa ba mi Africa according to the borders ya na aba na kasa ahodo a ye kai Ghana nko be 48 languages different languages so over Africa is the continent that we have the widely spoken kind of language and South Africa for abo amanya mo fa ahodie I quite remember say me kai 1990 Nelson Mandela obaya obetwa mo circle on Rollins gina so ye ne mo ana aye dwuma from TGM kra ye ma wo so mo tukro vote mi ba be gibi South African Airways e ko amama nyina wa ha a dodo no a munya nsahwe e tourism o krum because of Jacopo be yo mo koye ne oman ma mo tun ne abrofo ene te ho omo no mo ton ho de so we video footage bi aba o yi no a guy no di o wani ni say Jacinta no e do abofo no do ntimi kan hwe and back we have come back. We want to tell you that yes, tomorrow all our people is coming here to come and work. How? Say console mean training and you say no way. Oba root if you want I mean you don't even know my you know and no baby I'm fancy film. I can I feel no much no reality no because after almost 2 weeks I feel bread no more to know you know. Almost baking soda cry quantity or digum and sana bread na so people you know friends no they don't tell them how I show them how to fish welfare system we are doing why you but so many be edi to my me so musicians be wo ha same musicians go other countries okay and as I say why am so in the yam smayo and as I say why yam smayo so now all the African countries fortunately most of the African countries with the exception of few the social media no more jam is free to be able to call expressing nay unlike some other countries like Zimbabwe and one that don't even know you are you can't express or I say broadcasting station from a trepe and this is Ghana I always say 100 to 70 Ghana the Ukrainian I'm say a breaking record if you America crown channel crown how many radio stations in TV stations to say yeah
that's Ghana they had to say their new political party but now I was saying go for no more people
oh yeah musicians say no summertime here be in can be a go hakobo ko ha kwakobo say you know xenophobia my cancel me ma fi bi kom kra na ama but you say I dey hu say tourism industry for the past 1 month no say me na me fi Ghana na me kwa di dwa ha the probability be na say me kodu kro ho a nsan me ama ana kwakomo it affect you papa and it's going to affect them more because it's why they call the other nationals so now almost so start here to talk to When I go be a son of Melutu. Until it's affecting them, it's affecting people. I'm some Tony now. The musicians complaining so many man, I'm minister. I can say, man, I'm saying why. Why no confirm once now? I hear the baby for the ones now by one my. So a lot of the musicians, the creative industry, they will suffer. The tourism, arts and culture will suffer a lot. Plus other areas in terms of health infrastructure. I don't know. Yeah. But there, you want to say we will be
So according to government, I mean, you say we are legally resident in the protection. We are lawfully.
So the protection high.
Yes,
because we don't care about your legal how you acquire. You go back to your once you don't come from the country. In America, say you're young back home. I sound engineer. I don't know whether he's safe.
Yeah.
Jonathan Sompa, because I'm friend you are. And also, it's the creative industry. So if the creative industry is suffering, they should go and ask Jacinta. And I can't back when the Fuka did 1 year in this era. You might go for Sebong one day Google come there. We are taking Bukuta just and more chance for what?
What we say? Starting no more case illegal. In Kayenya who problem. But send you almost started so be a room.
Is it the fact that
South African and that is causing all these things. Now, from the way our we na metie no woman na metie no from the way our kasa no to mean say government supporting your mo ye no.
Because it's a min ko ba me kan bibi enfem.
Enye kra.
Anyway, Jacinta ne mo hu ne say name no. They said them ni Zuma.
They
said them ni Zuma.
Nka onhwe Jacob Zuma na on fenjai ne a oye no.
And they said be anu tikra ne ntumi nka na sem ya.
But menti asio. Edro ka sem bi na me ya. Ose wate say nkrofo bi so person moye we work on that 30th. Na owone omo say mo nye because omo ya even the police cannot stop them.
So they
now the
police, the law into their hands.
Or see, the police are not resourced and they cannot contain them, which means the guy himself no on your law abiding.
Anyway, there are so the idea Ghana. Na ye pasumji, inti abribia ye pasumji near the run. Omo satchel madre na we there entry. Anyway, enti Sunday ye Father's Day. Na ebusia for mumwa me na me wish Abena for happy Father's Day. I mean, minim say omo ye janom papa. Ane omo ye very responsible. Omo for men ni agro. Any anope kra baako kra ne ba no de na hospital. And so abaha. Enti Reverend Eddie Aison and Uncle Fred. Me mamo happy Father's Day in advance from Sompa Delight.
You know, Father, they crack and saying,
Nigusu.
Question I could be sad.
The crack answer for this. Me Freddie, my father, money baby brain, the industry, mother also. Share.
But when father say I must celebrate Muka. I was a man a high pio.
Oh, somebody
Modiano. Before I woke up, say Father's Day, Nanka Madia Nanka started a month ago.
Sir, into no more say na mube somo.
Emma say,
no offer rev.
Father,
more mics, no.
I will see you to me.
Yes.
You to me pushy.
Pushy because yes, I can't.
But what we say that be you. Nientia Akobasa and say some of the fathers have disappointed us.
A lot of them. A lot of them.
And on an AMA issue.
A lot.
And some of the women too are polluting their children against the fathers. I'm saying we know that we have become one.
And yet, who politiwa, who bad journey against ni papa, and yet, only about her, only obey attach it. And apart from that fact, crown upon who chreno, quam bonny. Ain't no only no audition it's him of an officer.
Says I do a be on my whole fee. So the form groups. Oh, but we see all. And it's been an experience. But then, unfortunately, me in my childhood, I never saw a mother and father living together. That's a good one, father, man, who be that. Apart from the early stages, from bed 1970 mama hu bi my mama te ya and our party ya o siblings we wait so we only meet time abronya abedu ne nyina ba be see father enye easy father sex wise kan ho de ade ma oyiri uya no pa asa akọ picture money di aba ebi ni bakra bi nya adwuma ni nyina so we a good father there some people don't care as a good father oma o do ma ku school o me say me ma tamana me do ko cry the king me making sure say me and am ko for baba no mo bia ko for mo da ada say me and am yere no not obi because me call abdo me ma me hwe nya ma nya no I give all of them to my children I took them to school it me tanka to me ni sika I've used my money for all of them bibia on them last bonzo no okwachi motor school near the nyina o just say ya crapa it's all these parents eba swear to the father sir if you bills sir we nyina na utu nyina say we bia kunya zika so kunya zika o it's a problem it's still yes and you know eba na amu hu yemo kakra is from why you see no because you see akra no bakra ko pe obi a obusan say niska will fear na money has become there and I don't blame them. Yeah. Some parents will be from baby mama. Yeah.
Careful. Anyway, into that me mama happy Father's
Day.
Last day of the week.
Yes.
Me who into that me
yeah, that's some permanent business.
I mean in the society. Yeah. A job for a lot of people. More mental, more boa, more near the patronia me. Missing patronia me. Yami. Oh, shramu bebre. So funny like to create. I say happy Father's Day. Yeah, that must say. Said no buy. Yeah, need abbreviara mobile. See, Reverend Edison and Uncle Fred. Yami shramu bebre. Yami
pa. If one share. South Africa for my. Is your favorite? You're from South Africa. You're from Sad Africa. Sad Africa.
I was here for you, and I auntie. My dad, before I see, not me, that me crew. So I say, me producer one, Elder Jerry. Na me shout, papa. Why ni na? Not me that svelte lady and Tadra. Na me shout. Lady Joanne, or dear too, Abe Fontin Tankesi. So no say DJ Mami. Now, Miss, maybe I'm coming to you on this St. Augustine. I am no interchanging to see. I've been kind of saying, St. Augustine. Now, we DJ now sign at the internet. So now, rate me to my me who not check. Me channel.